a mom that stabbed her child at least 10 times in the back.
Voices. They told me to stab her.
Alright. Something not too good.
Tell him it's a butcher knife. It's like 8 inches.
I felt like a presence behind me sometimes, and I thought she was gonna be behind me to stab me. I'm okay, just a little upset. Because I have a mom that stabbed her child at least 10 times in the back.
Home cameras don't lie. What looked like a normal afternoon turned into a disturbing moment that would change a child's life forever. And when police reviewed the footage, they were stunned. It began when neighbors heard strange noises, cries, crashes, and then silence. Concerned, one of them called authorities for a welfare check at a home in Florida. When officers arrived, the woman calmly answered the door. But something about her composure didn't sit right. Moments later, investigators would find the truth, hidden inside her own home. Inside, officers reviewed footage from the home security cameras. What they saw was impossible to ignore. The mother, identified as 29-year-old Roshan Gatlin, caught on camera in an act no parent should ever commit. The footage showed aggression toward her own child, behavior that sent chills through even the most seasoned detectives. Within minutes, Gatlin was taken into custody. The child, shaken but safe, was immediately placed under protection.
In the bathroom? What did she do?
Mommy had a face.
She had a face?
Don't kick Mommy had a face. No!
Come in the bathroom. Come in the bathroom.
Officers' body cams captured the tense arrest, her denial, her shock, and her quiet realization that the truth had already been recorded.
Step out.
Hey, you want to stop the crowd? Anybody else in the house? I got this. Anybody else in the house? Your daughter. Anybody else? Anybody else in the house? Right. Hey, I got a shooting here for this one. Hold on to her. I got the door.
You're over here.
I have a little child here. Joe, get me the second floor.
I got multiple stab wounds to 37.
Let's get ready to roll. I don't have blood, so we're just gonna go.
Here you go. How much bleeding do we have? A little bit only, but multiple. Okay. In the back and right here.
You got any wounds on you, ma'am?
Do anything.
You're not hurt at all?
Is the mother/suspect detained? Are there any outstanding suspects?
3-1, I have the mother in this time.
Authorities confirmed the authenticity of the footage.
It's a butcher knife too. Tell him it's a butcher knife.
Okay.
It's like 8 inches.
What the hell is going on with these people?
Got it. Let's go, baby. Let's go on. I got you.
Okay. You're gonna be okay, all right? It's been a long time. You're gonna be okay, all right? All right? Butcher knife. Okay, get clear this up. That must be good. Yeah. You wanna drive it? Yeah.
Prosecutors charged Gatlin with felony child endangerment and domestic assault. The footage became the key piece of evidence, leaving no room for doubt. For the child, the case meant more than justice, it meant safety. For investigators, it was another reminder that technology now sees what silence used to hide.
You just double check, make sure she's not injured whatsoever.
Yeah, we did.
And I need her in the back of the car.
I'm gonna do an assessment on her. You want that?
In the back of the car. ALT. I'm okay, just a little upset. This is legit. It's legit. Oh, because I have a mom that stabbed her child at least 10 times in the back. The other stabbing is superficial, but they're definitely stabbings.
I got her right now.
I don't want to be here anymore. Can one of you just shoot me? Please.
The footage spread quickly online. Thousands of viewers expressed outrage, heartbreak, and disbelief. But amid the anger came awareness of how many unseen cases go unnoticed every day. Gatlin remains in custody awaiting trial, while the child is now under protective care with family members.
I know those aren't comfortable, but I can't have you put those in your front of you, okay? So do me a favor, turn and face that way.
As Roshan gets put back in handcuffs, the neighborhood takes notice of the commotion.
Hey, fellas, if you don't mind, just go ahead and stay away from this parking lot, if you don't mind. If you could just go over there, all right? Something not too good.
Fire rescue just told Bonanno that's in the hospital right now. There were 16 stab wounds. That's the number that we got. It may be more, it may be less, but
Shut the whole road down. Yeah.
You want to shut down the roadway?
Yes, we can. We're the police. We can shut down the roadway.
Sometimes cameras catch more than moments, they capture truth. And for one child, that truth may have saved a life. This is why every frame matters.
Told you, are you just coming home now?
I'm coming home from picking my son up.
Nobody called me.
Nobody called me.
Apparently, did she have any mental health issues?
Yes.
Apparently, she called on herself, saying that she hurt her daughter. So she's been taken to the hospital. Okay. And that's what this is all
Where's
about.
my daughter?
She's at the hospital being treated on.
What did she do?
It looks like she stabbed her a couple of times. She's walking, she's talking, she's breathing. She's just some cuts. Some cuts. She was fine. She was crying when we got there. We were talking to her. She was standing. She was walking. She's in good care right now. She's at one of the best pediatric places over at St. Mary's. Okay.
Okay.
So relax there. Obviously she's under arrest until we figure out what the heck's going on.
But the deputies learned that today's incident didn't exactly come out of nowhere. Basilio tells them that Roshan was involuntarily committed in December and prescribed schizophrenia medication. She was taken back to the hospital only.
Stay aware. Stay safe. Subscribe for more real body cam and CCTV stories. Comment below. Should home cameras be required in child protection cases?